In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks tutorial, entering expenses in QuickBooks. If you've just paid for something in your business and want it reflected in your books, this walkthrough will show you how to record it quickly and accurately. Make sure you're signed in to your QuickBooks company and have the basic details handy, like who you paid, how you paid, the amount, and the date on the receipt. Start by looking to the left navigation panel and click Expenses. This opens the spending area where you can review what's already been recorded. From here, choose the Expenses tab so you're viewing individual outflows rather than bills or vendors. To add a new out-of-pocket cost manually, go to the top right and select New Transaction, then choose Expense. This opens the expense form. Now enter the key details. In the Payee field, pick the vendor or person you paid. Naming the payee helps with reporting and future lookups. Next, choose the payment account, such as the bank account, credit card, or petty cash the money came from. Set the date to when the funds actually left your account, so your bank reconciliation lines up. Pick the payment method, like debit, credit, cash, or check, to keep your records consistent. Scroll through the form and complete the remaining fields you use. Add a category to tell QuickBooks which expense account this belongs to, like office supplies, travel, or utilities. If you split the purchase across multiple categories, use additional lines with clear descriptions. Enter the amount. And, if applicable, select the correct tax or VAT option used on the receipt. The memo field is great for extra context you'll appreciate later, such as the purpose of the spend or the event name. If your company tracks class or location, choose those so your reports stay accurate. Once you've confirmed everything looks right, head to the bottom right and click Save. QuickBooks will record the expense and take you back to your expense list. If you have more to enter, you can repeat the same process for each purchase. That's it. By navigating to Expenses, opening the Expenses tab, using New Transaction and Expense, and carefully filling out the payee, payment account, date, payment method, and other details, you'll keep your books up to date and your reports meaningful. Thanks for watching, and keep your receipts organized so entering expenses stays fast and stress-free.